As a solo creator, editing is a huge part of my work. I'm always looking for ways to make my workflow easier and give my videos a professional touch. Over the years, I've tried and tested out various plugins for Final Cut Pro, and today I want to share with you some of the top ones that have made a significant difference in my editing process and the quality of my videos. If you don't know already, Motion VFX is one of the leading creators of plugins, templates, and add-ons for Final Cut Pro. I've been using their plugins for many years now, and I can honestly say they never disappoint. Their plugins are high quality, customizable, and easy to use. When Motion VFX approached me to create a sponsored video, I was more than happy to say yes, as I'm a regular user of their plugins and truly think they can benefit other creators as well. So the first plugin is mFilmLook. It's an all-in-one plugin that comes with a set of professional tools and on-screen controls to help you make your videos look more cinematic. I use it mainly to add finishing touches to my iPhone footage, helping it look less digital and more film-like. For example, this clip was shot on an iPhone, and looking at the before and after, you can see the effects applied. I've added aberration, lens blur, film grain, vignette, and a letterbox. And with just a few clicks, it makes a huge difference in the overall look and feel of the video. It removes that typical phone look, making it difficult for viewers to tell if it was shot on a phone or a professional camera. And the best part is that I can easily customize each effect to my liking, making it truly unique to my style. Now, if you're interested, I actually have a full breakdown of how I color grade my iPhone footage and use the plugin mFilmLook to add that finishing touch. I'll be sure to link the video below. Next up is mMovieLights. This plugin allows you to add a cinematic lighting effect to your shot, creating a unique atmosphere and mood for your videos. Now, the plugin mMovieLights comes with 60 natural lighting effects that you can easily apply to your footage. And to me, it really makes the footage stand out. When choosing a lighting effect, I pick the one that matches the lighting in my shot the best. And what's great is that I can preview what the lighting effect looks like for the shot by hovering over it. And it's as easy as double clicking or dragging and dropping it onto your clip. After that, I can make adjustments to the direction, brightness, color of the light, and much more to create different looks and moods. You can also make adjustments to the vignetting, which I think looks natural and adds more drama to the shot. Now, usually I only make subtle adjustments as the default settings already look really good. Now, the mMovieLight is definitely a great plugin to have that can be used in almost any type of video project to add a cinematic touch and enhance the overall look and feel of your video. Another plugin I highly recommend, especially if you create online courses or tutorial type videos, is mEssential. I use it a lot when making my filmmaking tutorials on YouTube to help viewers better understand the content. And what's great about this plugin is that it offers a wide range of easy customizable tools to help enhance and make my videos look professional. Whether I need to point out a certain part of my video or highlight specific areas, mEssential has all the tools I need. One of my favorites is the blur effect. I can drag the adjustment layer on top of the clip and it will automatically create a gradual blur to add a title or text. Normally, this process would take me much longer with the built-in blur preset in Final Cut Pro, but with mEssentials, it's quick and easy. I also like to use the arrow feature a lot to direct my audience attention to a certain aspect of my video. It is also well designed, providing intuitive controls for adjustments. Another way I like to draw attention to a specific part of the clip is by using the spotlight effect to circle over an area. Overall, having this plugin makes it quick and easy for me to make informative videos for my audience without spending too much time creating these animations from scratch. Next up, if you're looking for a smooth zoom in and out plugin, you have to check out the mCamRig, which by the way is free to get. With this plugin, you can easily create dynamic camera animations without using keyframes. I use this all the time in my tutorials to change the angle or showcase something specific in my video. And what's great is that you have these on-screen controls that make it easy to adjust the framing. You also have different settings to play with, such as the depth of field, angle of view, fading, and much more. You can also use it to showcase your website in a dynamic way, making it look more 3D and professional. Now, because it works as an adjustment layer, you can easily adjust the timing of the animation to your liking. Now, if you don't own it already, the mCamRig is a really great free plugin to have in your editing arsenal. Plus, it can be applied to a wide variety of video projects. Next up is mTransitionFilmRoll. If you're looking for a cool transition pack, this plugin gives you an extensive collection of 50 recognizable analog film effects and distortion to give your transition a unique style. What I like about this plugin is that it allows me to transition between chapters in my videos, adding visual interest and keeping my viewers engaged. Since I talk a lot about filmmaking on my channel, having these film roll transition adds to the overall aesthetic of my videos. Plus, it's super easy to use and I can customize to fit my specific needs. You can use these transitions for any video, not only for tutorials, but also for music videos, to add some flair, or travel vlogs to create that vintage vibe effect. These transitions can definitely add more engagement to your video. Now, what is a video without a great title? If you're looking for cinematic titles, look no further than the mCinematic Title 2 plugin. Now, I talked about this last year, and since then I've tested out many other title plugins, but I keep coming back to this one because of its high quality design and smooth title animations. I mostly use them in my short videos or travel montage, and they never fail to impress. The best part is that these titles are fully customizable. I can easily drag a title onto a clip and change the font, color, and size to fit my specific video. It really gives my travel videos that extra touch of professionalism and character rather than using the same old basic titles that come with Final Cut Pro. Creating a title animation from scratch used to be my thing, but I learned to prioritize my time and energy, and this plugin definitely saves me a lot of both. With mCinematic Title 2, it has never been easier to add impressive titles with just a few clicks. Plus, the variety of title design allows me to use it for different types of videos without it feeling repetitive. Now, Motion VFX definitely has many other great title plugins if you're looking for a specific style, but for me, the mCinematic Title 2 has worked really great. Now, if you create vertical content for social media, then this plugin is a must-have. It's called mReels. The best part is that you can use it not only for vertical content, but also square or even horizontal. It comes with 50 aesthetic presets for creating eye-catching content. I especially like the background blur effect when using a horizontal video on a vertical canvas. It just adds a touch of depth and makes my video stand out from other regular posts. This plugin also includes transitions and beautiful animated texts. And making Reels look professional has never been easier, as this will speed up your workflow and create more engaging content. So if you do a lot of social media posts and want to spice up your Reels, mReels is definitely worth checking out. So these were my top plugins from Motion VFX that helped me improve my editing workflow and make my content stand out. It's always exciting to find new tools and plugins that can enhance our work, so I highly recommend checking them out. As I mentioned, they also have a wide range of other plugins for different needs. So explore and see what works best for you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment as always. Now, if you want to see some other plugins that I use, be sure to check out this video right here. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.